Rewarding career, great pay, rapid opportunity for promotion. Does that sound like your kind of job description? Then you might want to consider a new career in the healthcare industry. Ballina Chang, she is the National Program Director from Clinical Research Fastrack. Great to have you here. And you were sharing with me, this is a booming industry. How many jobs across America right now?
Oh my goodness, this field is absolutely growing at an exponential pace. There's at least 70,000 jobs open nationwide, many of them here right in Arizona.
That's wonderful. And you were saying it's what, 165 billion?
And growing. We're seeing so many rapid advancements in this field due to biotechnology. We're understanding genetics more. And if you think of anything you've ever taken that's been FDA approved, it has to go through these clinical trials. And because of that, we're seeing a lot of growth in this field.
All right, so clinical trials, that's the key word today. That is what you all do at Clinical Research Fastrack. Describe what that is when we enroll there. What do we get?
Absolutely. So I know the term clinical trials or clinical research can be kind of scary. People look at you like you have two heads, but it's really not scary. Anything, like I said, that you've taken that's over-the-counter, prescription medications, devices, have to go through this rigorous testing process. And people think, oh, I have to be a doctor to do this testing. And that's simply not true, because we're training people with such diverse backgrounds, medical and non-medical, to actually go into this field, run these trials, and collect this really precious data.
So we're seeing videos. So we actually go to your school and you train us to be a clinical researcher. And it doesn't take forever.
Oh no. In a matter of just a couple weeks, you're in the classroom, you're networking with industry professionals, you're in an internship out there in the field, and you're ready to go.
And I love what you said, no healthcare experience needed.
Absolutely. We see people with medical backgrounds and non-medical backgrounds alike. And that's what I love about this industry. It's so inclusive.
So once we're finished with your courses and they're online, or I know some, we're looking at videos, so it's actual hands-on, but we do some online as well.
Exactly, online and the human touch.
All right, so once we graduate, what kind of jobs are these students and these professionals, what kind of jobs are they landing, and do you help us with that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we assist our students in going out into the field to get these entry-level positions, but what we love is we're already seeing our students getting their first, second, and sometimes even third promotions in just a matter of sometimes months. So it's growing.
All right, so I read off rewarding career, great pay, rapid opportunity for promotion.
Check.
Those are from the website. And I want to know, I mean, how is the pay?
Oh, it's incredible. The national average in your second year of doing this is around 60,000 or so.
Perfect.
But people are getting promoted left and right and making even more than that.
All right, so she touched on it. We've heard that term. You've seen the commercials and they say clinical research or clinical trials. What does that mean exactly? And what are the benefits of a clinical trial?
Absolutely. So I always like to say we are working in the future of medicine. We are empowering doctors and nurses to do what they do best by running these trials, collecting this data, getting that data to the FDA, so the FDA can say, yes, let's make this life-saving, life-changing medication device therapy available to the public.
And so the class that we're taking, we become the researcher. What an incredible, to me, Lauren, I hear job security because every single thing FDA approved has to be trialed.
Absolutely. You hit the nail on the head. And with all of these new advancements, that's just leading to more and more job openings nationwide.
Roughly, I mean, and I don't know if you know this, I mean, how many trials are you all doing, do you think? I mean, with these graduates.
Goodness. Every single year, so they all have to be registered into this national database, and we just see it growing by leaps and bounds just by the month sometimes.
Wow,
you'll
that's
see it
incredible.
jump by.
That's incredible, and you have a chance, of course, to have that opportunity. Is the class hard?
You know what, that's the nice thing, is if you have the passion to work with people, to advance medicine, you can do it.
Perfect. So maybe you want to change your career. This sounds like again, rewarding, and certainly it's going to be around a while. Thank you so much. You've got passion as well. All right, here's a cool part. Holiday scholarships, they are available right now, so you can call today and mention Sonoran Living to learn more. Clinical Research Fastrack. They are located at 16100 North 71st Street, Suite 120 in Scottsdale. To enroll, call 602-883-7944 or visit clinicalresearchfastrack.com.